Alright, what's up guys? So, if you saw my last video, you probably know we're doing something a little bit crazy. You don't fully know what. We're driving down to San Diego real quick. Possibly going looking at a car. Well, we are looking at a car. We'll see what's up. I don't know, I'll bring you guys along with me for the ride. If we get it, cool. If not, we'll see what's up with the next thing. But bring you guys along with me. We're gonna take the Mustang today. I don't know, we've never taken the Mustang on actually like a pretty good road trip. It's only like 2 hours, but I figured we'd do something a little bit different. Actually, I'm gonna get some gas on the way out there, and then we're gonna just go. We're like a half tank. So I'm interested to see how the Mustang's gonna do on the road trip. This would be actually like really cool. So let's jump in the Mustang. The Jeep's sitting over there, but all right, let's get on the road. So we're about to pull up to the dealership. One thing I want to say real quickly, if this doesn't go through, it's fine. If this isn't the right car, that's totally cool.
Then we just have a fun little drive.
Then we had a fun little drive. I think we're going to probably try to hang out here for a little bit in San Diego. My leg is killing me. I'm so surprised. Driving the Mustang is making my leg super sore. So we'll see. But we're going to head off to the dealership.
Said they were
yeah, the big gears in it, and intake, and there's a Flowmaster exhaust on. There's a Flowmaster exhaust on, so I'm just curious to see. I don't know what all was done to this. It's definitely used, but that's kind of what I wanted. I wanted one that wasn't pretty, because I want it to be used.
Are you sure you're not just hello?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Fill the Or you can cut the engine actually. Fill the
oh yeah, something fell off.
yeah, that one. This guy. I mean, this one's a used one. I don't care about those. Absurd driving. Like it's not like gonna be, you know, something where I'm gonna literally get pulled over immediately. The thing I was curious about, because it felt like they started it, they must have moved it into the spot before we got here. Because I felt some heat coming off the engine still. How long ago was this engine? I mean, but nothing looks. This?
I mean, like I know you don't really have to here, but did you look underneath that?
I did. As I was looking, I was trying to make sure one thing with the radiator to see if the air dam is like damaged in the front. It's not. I mean, it's definitely not pristine underneath. At least this still has this. It's not pristine, but no.
You can make anything.
You're right. Well, I just want to. But the thing is, though, it has K&N air intake, and it does have the exhaust. It needs to be cleaned though.
Disgusting.
It's gotta be cleaned
Look at
though.
how it's like faded.
I mean, this is.
But that's easy. Nice.
Yeah. This headliner's a little bit. This headliner's yunk.
It's up to you.
I just really like looking at this other car. Smog ready. Is this not smogged? I mean, it's not going to be smogged. This is big. I like it though.
Let's make this car a manual. Let's change everything about this.
Well, once I get the Jeep, the steering stabilizer and everything, it'll be fine. I should have sit in this car real quick. This is actually insane. Never been. Well, no, I have been in a Raptor, but. I'm not gonna lie to you, one day I might honestly get a Raptor. Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, there's a Corvette behind me. I didn't get a chance to film an outro for the video. I want to give you guys my quick kind of just impressions and everything and like kind of what's going on here. There's a lot going on, so I figured I would kind of give you guys kind of the scoop of everything that happened in this video. So this is actually like a couple days later, so let me tell you guys exactly kind of what's been going on. Okay, cool. So yeah, as you can see, this is a 2000 Corvette C5. I've been looking at these guys for a while. I will go into like a more in-depth, like going over everything inside the next video. I'll also talk about why I got this over everything else. I was looking at some C4s as well, but why I decided to go with this guy, I will get into that later on. One of my biggest things when I was looking at this vehicle was trying to like really make sure that this thing wasn't super modified. In the video, which I kind of like after I filmed like that first section of me checking out the car, wanted to like look at to make sure that, I don't know, I really just wanted like to see what all was done to this car. It looks like it was mostly stock except for the K&N air intake and then the Flowmaster exhaust. Those were the main components that I saw that were modified. Try to see if the headers or anything like that were aftermarket. It doesn't sound like it at all. I took off the valve covers, checked that out, checked all the fluids in the car, make sure it drove well. The tires, they're decent. They're not great. Like the fronts are pretty good actually. The rears, I went into a track day with them. These are actually some Michelin Pilot Super Sport, so that's actually pretty cool. Same tires I ran on the Focus RS, so that's pretty nice. Overall, the car itself, it's a pretty good driving car. Like that was my main concern. I do like the fact that it is black. It is not a manual. That's gonna be a video all by itself why I got the automatic over getting the manual for this thing. But when I got the automatic, I wanted to check to make sure that the transmission was shifting properly and everything like that. I even brought it home when I hooked up my scan tool to it just to see if there was any hidden codes inside of the vehicle. Nothing at all. Overall, it's in pretty decent shape. I mean, the interior, it's okay. These seats are pretty much trashed. Not gonna lie, this is definitely an investment I'm taking for the channel. I'm taking a risk, getting this mostly for the channel and mostly to make content on. I wanted something I can take out into the canyons. I wanted something I can actually make fast. You know, I have a lot of video ideas to do with this thing to go alongside of the Jeep and the Mustang, but so it's actually pretty funny because I always thought I was more of a JDM guy, but it turns out every vehicle I get is always American. The gas cap, it's got to get fixed. Just this little mechanism. Some small little issues trying to work out, but that's all part of it. So like I was saying, it's an investment into the channel to make more content on it, to do a whole bunch of stuff. The biggest thing I have to do right now is clean the thing up a bit. I took out like the headliner that was in there, the stuff that was in the trunk, really kind of going through it. Oh, I did get a cup holder phone mount for the vehicle. I know for sure I was looking to see if I can do the Bluetooth conversion on the stock radio, but I don't have the 12-disc changer in the back of this thing, so we have to see. I don't know, I might just do a whole different radio. I think my plans are for right now is to just restore the vehicle, take it out, do some canyon driving with it, and just kind of get some baseline testing and do a whole bunch of videos on just kind of the restoring process of it and making it a little bit better. And then from there, this will become the dedicated track vehicle on the channel, checking this thing out, and I'll go ham with it a little bit later. But I think for right now, the goal is to do some restoration stuff, make it a little bit better. And honestly, I might daily it for a little bit and just see how is it. But if you guys want, check out this video right here. This is an old video of mine talking about daily driving a Camaro. Can you daily drive a Camaro? Check this video out. You'll see my impressions on that. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.